Motorhead Garage, the program that each week introduces you to and shows you how to install the latest and exciting and innovative products for your vehicle. Motorhead Garage is presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Now here's your host, Dave Dobson.
Welcome to another edition of Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. If you are a Jeep owner, you know how much fun it can be to own a Jeep. You also know that customizing it and making it your own can be half of the fun, and that's where our friends at Drop Zone Off-Road come in. Now tell me, Melanie, what's the array of products you offer for our Jeep friends?
Our four main products are custom foot pegs, custom taillight guards, hitch covers, and fuel door assemblies.
And a whole lot more cool stuff. Now, tell me about the products here. Everything's made in the USA?
Everything is made in the USA. All of our source products are from the USA. Our powder coating, all-American steel, the best of the best. Drop Zone Off-Road is synonymous with American pride and just the top quality, and that's really what's required to put out a top quality product.
How many different designs do you have in stock, and then what do you do as far as custom work?
We have close to 200 designs available now on our website, but we are a company that really focuses on customization. So if you have a theme for your Jeep, like many of us do, we can work with the customer one-on-one and develop something unique for them, for their Jeep, for their theme. The best thing to do is to contact us either through email or through our Etsy store. Provide us an image of what you have in mind, and we'll go from there. We'll determine if it's something that's feasibly translated to steel and powder coat. And we are one of the only manufacturers that do not use vinyls, adhesives, rubbers. Everything is powder coating, weldment, American steel. We really build our parts to last for durability. With our background in off-roading, it's really important to us that you can enjoy these foot pegs for years to come.
And everything's designed by a real engineer, so you know it's going to last.
Exactly. An engineer that has over 20 years of manufacturing experience.
Well, you brought some foot pegs with you, so let's take a look here.
I did.
The owner of this Jeep likes hanging out at the beach, so we've got the Sharky Shark here.
Exactly.
So show me how the foot pegs work.
They go on by this finger in the tab actually slides right into the hinge, as you can see, and the tab actually is in the door jamb to provide stability as well. And then we have a hairpin here, really 1, 2, 3 installation. If you have a little set of pliers, just pop it right in. Our foot peg is the only foot peg that's a drop-in style. You pop the pin in, there's no nut to tighten. You're just ready to roll once you get that hairpin in there.
I love it. So you just hang your foot out there and be nice and casual in your Jeep here. We'll do it on the back here.
Absolutely.
We saw the shark. We have a jellyfish as well.
Absolutely.
Let's see that one.
If you're into the pink,
love it.
Right there.
Very cool.
There again,
same process
slide
there.
it into the hinge. Finger goes against the door jamb, and then the cotter pin.
I see so many people driving around with their feet hanging out, and this looks a lot more comfortable than that.
It is. You're always searching for a place to put your foot when your door is off, and this is a way to safely do it and get a little bit of your personality out there.
Speaking of personality, these add a whole lot to it. Tell me about these taillight guards here.
We've taken a little bit of a different approach to a taillight guard. We believe that a taillight guard should actually guard your taillight. So we have a customizable image plate that provides physical protection on and around your taillight assembly for the halogen taillight guards. On this one, we have a Jeep beach scene. So we have the Jeep palm tree and a sun. We have hundreds of customizable designs available. And if you happen to have one or an image in mind that you don't see that we already have, we can make it for you.
Is there anybody out there doing what you're doing?
Not that we know of. This is a first of kind for the Jeep aftermarket.
Well, what about finishes there? I see the shiny one on the other side. I can look at that one sparkle. And then over here we have the splatter, I guess?
Yeah, this is a splatter black finish for us. It more matches the bumper or the wheel well assemblies. The gloss finish is going to be more of a finish to match the Jeep body itself.
How many different colors do you offer?
So we carry 54 powder coat colors in stock at all times. We match the last 5 years of all Jeep colors, and we match the last 23 years of the most popular Jeep colors. Clearly
style is important to you, but how important is the quality of your work as well?
At Drop Zone Off-Road, we are focused on the highest quality products that we can put out, along with 100% customer satisfaction. We go through an 11-step manufacturing process. We have a lot of proprietary equipment that we use and a lot of proprietary steps that we take in order to get the quality out of our products that we have.
Jeep accessories of the highest quality. They're made in the USA and they are customizable. You got to check them out out, go to dropzoneoffroad.com. We will return with more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings and more cool products right after this.